Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using gel products from Sundara Nails, and we're going to be creating a really fun strawberry mani, which is perfect for the summer season. So we're going to dive right into this mani. I already went ahead and placed the base coat over that jelly tip, and I'm cured it for 30 seconds. And now it's time to go in with this beautiful red reflective glitter. Now this gel polish is HEMA free, and this is called Ruby Slippers, and it is the perfect tone of red, and it's cram-packed full of those beautiful reflective glitters. It is like a really pretty red. It's like it has the perfect undertone. It's not too bright. So I went ahead and cured that first coat for 30 seconds, and now I'm going in with a second coat, and you can really see that this red and all that sparkly glitter has really just changed up this whole nail here, and it's really pretty. And I cured that for 30 seconds. Now we're going to go ahead and start some nail art. Now we're going to be using Snow Moon for the white part of this nail. You can use any white gel polish, Fluffy Clouds. I really like the moon whites right now from Sundara Nails. I'm pretty obsessed with them. They're just really fun. So I like to do my nail art on a little sandwich baggie because then I can just toss it at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Sundara nail art brush. This is the 20mm side, and I'm going to go ahead and make these little lines and kind of turn them into triangles all over that top area of the nail to kind of create like the strawberry leaves. So I'm doing white first, and then we're going to go ahead and fill it in with a green. The white is really just going to help give it some dimension underneath that green, and I really like how it turned out. And also it's going to be more green than if you were to just place it over the red. You're going to really see the green pull more if you put a white base under it. So now I'm going to go ahead after I made all those lines, and I'm going to fill in those lines with the rest of the white gel polish. Now if you haven't tried any of Sundara Nails gel polishes, I highly recommend. They are so fun. You can do a lot of different things with them. I love the consistency of the gel polishes. They are the perfect formula to create nail art and all over manicures. Options are going to be endless when you're playing with these gels, and the consistency is amazing. It's not too thin, not too thick. It is perfect, and I really love the quality of these gel polishes, and they're HEMA free. So again, I'm just taking my time to really make sure that I am keeping those lines crisp, and I'm just filling in any spots that may be bare, and then that is it. I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, and here's what it looks like cured, and you can see the strawberries coming along. Now to clean up my brush, I'm going to use the nail brush cleaner, and I'm going to put a little dot right on the sandwich baggie here. You can see a little bit does go a long way, and then I'm going to go ahead and swirl that brush in that brush cleaner, and it is going to clean off the brush. And I also like this brush cleaner because it keeps my bristles conditioned versus the old way when I was cleaning my brushes. I was using Dawn dish soap, which would dry out my bristles. Then after I go ahead and wipe that brush on that sandwich baggie to remove the product, I take a lint-free wipe and gently remove the product off the brush, and it is good to go. So now we're going to be using this really pretty green. Now this is from the Advent calendar, which is still available. This is in Juniper. And I feel like this is the perfect green, and it is also a pudding gel, and I really like using pudding gels for nail art because it gives it more of like a texture dimension. It's just like the way the formula is, it really helps you like really get into those lines and the consistency. You really have good control with pudding gels when you're doing nail art because it's more of like a, I wouldn't say thicker, but it's more of a condensed formula, and it's super buttery and smooth and pigmented that you can do a lot of stuff with this. So I'm just going to go ahead now and fill in all the areas of white with this really pretty pudding gel. And by the way, I know I said the Advent calendar is still available on the website. You just have to search, I believe, Advent calendar, and then it will pop up if you did miss it. All these colors in the Advent calendar, it's 12 pudding gels. They're really good staple colors, and they are perfect for all year long. Like even this green, it's the perfect tone of green, and you can see here it's really bringing the strawberry stem to life. And again, I will link everything that we're using in today's video in that description box as well, so you have can just click on the link and find everything that we're using. But you can see here that that pudding gel is just kind of giving it almost like a 3D effect, and I really like how it just gives that stem overall some texture. So it just looks like almost like a real strawberry leaf. I love it so much. So I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean up that brush. And you can see here that that brush was green, and we are going to make it brand new with this fabulous brush cleaner. And again, I'm just going to go ahead and gently wipe off that brush with a lint-free wipe, and that brush is good to go. And I really like how it just leaves my brush perfect condition, ready to go, and it's conditioned. All right, so here is that strawberry nail now alone with that reflective glitter in that stem. It almost looks like strawberry seeds, but I wanted to take it up a notch, and we're going to use some more pudding gels. We are going to be using Raven, which is a black pudding gel, and I'm using the smaller tip of a dotting tool, and I'm just placing just a few black seeds on that nail just for some extra depth. Now, the reason why I picked pudding gel again was because it gave it more of like that 3D resin look, which I really wanted. Now, you could use black gel polish and it's gonna be almost one with the nail, but I really like how it looked with the pudding gel to kind of give it more of a textured look. Now, this step is totally optional because with that reflective glitter, it already looked like a juicy strawberry, which I really love. So I cured that pudding gel. Right now it's in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I just cleaned up that dotting tool, and then we're gonna finish off this mani with one of my favorite gel top coats. I love this one so much. The consistency, it's a thinner consistency, and the shine is amazing on this top coat, and it's also HEMA free. But I really love the Sundara gel base top coat. I love their gel products. The quality is definitely there, and I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds. And here is our finished strawberry. It is so fun. How cute is this strawberry? It is perfect for summer. I love it so much. It was really easy to create, and I really like how that reflective glitter just really just turns up this whole strawberry mani to another level. Now, if you are not a fan of glitters, you can totally do a solid red gel color and then do the same steps that we did to create the strawberry. But I really think that reflective glitter just gives it like the ultimate sparkle, which is perfect for summer. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, and I will see you all in the next upload.